This is Rajiv Leventhal, the managing editor at Healthcare Innovation, and I'm here with two industry leaders from digital solutions company E-Ink. We have JQZ, who's a strategic partnership manager at the company, and Stanley Chang, who's a director of strategic partnership at E-Ink. JQ and Stanley, thanks for joining us today. How are you?
Very good. Thank you, Rajdeep.
Great, thanks. I think JQ, to start, can you tell us a little bit about E-Ink's solutions and what's specifically innovative about them within the healthcare context?
Sure, happy to do that. E-Ink is a provider of digital paper display technology. To help explanation, I'd like to start with this Amazon Kindle device. Probably most of people know Amazon Kindle and are using probably Amazon Kindle e-readers. So we are the supplier of this digital paper screen. It has a unique looking that if you compare with your computer monitor or TV screens. So the product we are providing to a healthcare community are the digital paper devices with different sizes and functions. For example, at my right side, this is a 42-inch digital paper communication board. It can be used inside the patient room as a digital whiteboard device, and it can connect it with EMR, EHR electronically. So at my left side is a tablet, digital paper tablet. It's a 7.8-inch tablet used as a door sign. It is also electronically connected with the EMR or EHR system. So both of them devices has a traditional printed paper looking because they use a digital paper screen inside. So we are teaming up with the healthcare software solution providers to integrate those devices into the healthcare solutions that can address the special needs from the hospitals.
Great. And can you detail if any hospitals have installed these whiteboards and door signs, and why did they choose your solutions and technology specifically?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. This is Stanley. Hi, Rajiv. So here I will introduce the pain point from hospital side. So we visited a lot of hospitals in United States, and we found that there are two pain points they have right now. So one is the door sign, paper door sign. So as you can see here, they hang the paper sign on the door, just like the allergy or the notice for the patient or for the patient relative before they entering the patient room. And so that is the pain point one. And the other pain point is the traditional whiteboard. As you can see here, there are a lot of patient information, just like the care team, patient schedule, and the other notice or comment they need to know. So just let you know that the nurse need to take a lot of time to write every details down. So that is the pain point from the hospital. And the other thing, as we know that the nurse is very busy, so sometimes error happens. So what E-Ink can this communication board, those I can do. So I will hand over to JQ to do the function detail.
Thank you. So we are trying to use a digital device to replace those dry erase whiteboard. So the solution based on that has all the benefit that a digital solution should have. So in addition to that, E-Ink's digital paper product offers several features that can enable and significantly improve the patient experience. For example, if you look at this device, it doesn't emit any light by itself. So if using inside a patient room, it doesn't generate any light pollution, specifically blue light pollution in the room, which can negatively have an impact on the patient's sleep or rest. I'd like to do a quick demo here, if you don't mind. I'm gonna turn off the room light to make it a little bit darker so you can tell that what I mean. So right now, the room is dark. So I put an iPad next to it. Through that comparison, you can tell that there's no light glowing from the e-papers. This is designed by patient. When at night, when the light is off, when the patient wants to sleep, they can sleep well without the light glowing from the screens. In that way, the patient also doesn't need to worry about the device on and off management, which usually always a burden for the patient. Please turn on. So this is the feature that I can enable or maximize the patient's experience. In addition to that, our digital paper also has another attractive feature, which is called always on characteristics. as the EM or EHR push the content into the digital paper screens, that content stay on forever until the system erase or change with the new information. This is perfect for those communication applications, such as digital whiteboard or digital door sign. So overall, our digital paper products are very attractive to these patient room-related communication applications. Hope that this explanation can help you understand our digital paper better.
Great, thank you. And then from here, moving from the patient side, patient experience side to the hospital side, can you discuss why this solution is so beneficial for hospital organizations and what hospital executives can do to take the steps to get them into their facilities?
Sure. As we introduced before, right now, the whole hospital, industrial status, hospital using a lot of papers, extra papers, and dry erase whiteboard. This is definitely inadequate technology. One of the reasons the hospital is not doing aggressively for digitization is because the potential installation cost. So e-paper or digital paper device is very power efficient. Compared to a LCD counterpart, digital paper consume only 3 or less than 3 powers, 3% less or 3% powers, so that they can enable battery-powered devices operation. For example, for this tablet, it's a 7.8 door sign. It uses 6 pieces of AAA battery inside. In the typical hospital settings, as a door sign, it updates the content 3 times a day, and the Wi-Fi turns on and off every 15 minutes to fetch the data from server. With this configuration, the battery work time can be 11 months. This is exceptionally long, so that this tablet can deploy anywhere inside the hospital, such as on the wall, on the door, and maybe on the glass if the glass door, and even attached to the patient bed if we want to move the patient bed around. So this gives a lot of flexibility to hospital to fully optimize the digital solution experience without worry about the limitation come from the device installation location. This larger screen is also power efficient. It takes a 12 volts DC input. Right now, this demo also operate on battery. Practically in the hospital, hospital can power this larger screen with the PoE. In that way, it can potentially save a lot of installation costs because it's not reliant on the electrical wall receptacles. This is attractive to the hospitals and open up the possibility for hospitals to install more digital solutions. We are happy to work with both the hospitals and the industrial partners to make it easier for hospitals and industrial partners to use or try our devices. We create a device loaner program. For details, you can visit website go.einc.com/hospital-loaner-program, or easily reach out to us through emails at partnership@einc.com. Thank you.